Okay, how do I insert a comment to show how fractions are equivalent using a number line? So here's how I would do it. So I'll click on one of my jumps, there it is, and I'll make a copy of it. Then I'm going to move it someplace that's, whoops, I don't want to move the writing, sorry, made a mistake. I'll move the jump over here someplace convenient, like say right there. And then I'm going to make another copy of another jump, let's say this one. I'm going to move this and compare it. See how it's going to take two of those. So I'm going to create another one and then put it next to each other. And I'm going to say, oh, I'm going to use my equation editor to say that this is equal to, let me make it a little smaller. This is equal to, well, let me just write it a little bit better way. I'm going to say 1/6 plus 1/6 is equal to, let me see, 2/6. Yes, that's what I think I want to do. So now this equation editor lets me see how I'm putting two pieces together and naming it 2/6. But then I also want to put a comment down, and here, let me just scooch this down a little bit so that they're not touching each other. And I'll move my equation down as well. And now I want to add a comment to this. So here's what my comment looks like. Let's see. 2/6 is equivalent to 1/3 because the 2/6 jump, let me put it this way. The 2/1/6 jumps are the same length as the 1/3 jump. That's my reasoning. And let's see, I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to put my reasoning underneath, stretch it out a little bit just so that it looks easier to read. And so here's my evidence right here where I'm saying, oh, 1/3 and 1/6 and 1/6, I'm putting an equation there to say that's 2/6. So I'm saying 2/6 is equivalent to 1/3 because 2 of the 1/6 jump, I feel like that's confusing. So let me add in a little more. 2 of the 1/6 jumps are the same length. Yeah, that's better. I think that's clearer for my reader. 2 of the 1/6 jumps are the same length as the 1/3 jump. That's what I mean by equivalent.